Yep. Gonna pull this vent down and patch the hole up.
Right. Oh, there's a bit of bloody stuff on there. Oh.
To get a
Oh, that's video, is it?
Yep.
Can you edit it?
We'll have a rest there for a sec. Just push
Okay.
that. There you go.
Thanks. Just tell me when to press it to stop it.
Yep. No worries. Okay, we'll just put this down. We've covered everything up. Ready to pull out. Not letting go too easy.
Bit harder than what the air conditioning bloke said it was going to be.
Yeah. We'll break this one out.
Yeah. That's him.
Yeah. Let it come loose.
Bloody shit that gets in ceilings, eh?
Oh yeah, well, stuff there. Oh, that's a little bit loose. We'll screw that up in a minute before we plaster it. The edges.
Stop it.
Now we'll just have a close up if we can. Thanks here.
We've just got fibrous plaster there, and we'll screw it. It's just a little bit loose, so we'll screw that up in a minute. Oh, we'll just put some screws in up there. Pull it up quite well. Battery for flat. Just change battery. Yeah, just get some screws up there. New battery. Recharge one. Yeah, it's screwing up okay. Just makes it look a bit more even, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. That's the worst thing when you start to drag it down.
Yeah.
And eventually comes nearly right down.
sheet. A bit wider there, and a bit wider there. So what we'll do, we'll put it up diagonally. And let it go sit down on top like that. So we do the plastering. We're going to push the plaster in behind there. So it's going to glue it all together. We'll float that section from there to there. That's the best way, I think, of doing a hole. There's various other ways, but I think that's the strongest way to do it. Okay, battery's fixed. Charged, and screw this up.
Remember when I was a kid, there was a plasterer who lived across the road in Balwyn Heads, and I used to pest across out him for a bit of plaster. Remember those?
What did you do, sorry?
I used to pest the hell out of him for a bit of plaster. Remember those rubber moulds kids used to have that you fill up with plaster?
Yeah, I see. Yeah,
It'll be a shape of a chipmunk or an elephant or something.
No, that's right. It's gone up a fair bit there.
Yeah.
But you got a gap on that now. Let's see what we can do. Just screwing the plaster up here. Better?
Well, that screw be hidden there, but that one.
Oh yeah, we'll hide them all. Hey, the main thing we've got to screw it up. It's sagging down.
Yeah, fair enough.
No good for you. Better?
A bit more solid.
Yeah.
What was the quality of the plasterboard 50 years ago?
Okay, yeah.
Was it on?
These ceilings can be screwed right along, you know, at a later date.
Yeah.
They are sagging.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Victor board started coming in the 70s, or late 60s, though.
Oh, okay.
Or in this, I'm not sure exactly, but what date, but it's only started 1970.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where it was sagging a bit there.
Sagging a lot. Saggy bagging.
Yeah.
That's pretty standard for this age ceiling.
Yeah.
And I've screwed that up quite a bit. I've bowed that, pushed that section up there just because it was hanging down a little bit. And screwed it up over here near the vent. That whole ceiling could be screwed at a later date. Once they start sagging, you need to re-screw them up. Cut a bit of plaster there, a bit of plasterboard, a little bit of timber up there, so I've notched the board around there, and we'll put it up diagonally, and get it up there, just a little bit bigger than the hole. It just sits around that little bit of timber there, and that's not too bad a fit there at all. I'll make a mix up and plaster it up Toorak now. Just mixed that up, ready to patch it up. It's just corner cement that sticks well to the paint, CSR, and trails up well. I've agitated the left side of that mix to go quick and left the right side setting to finish off the trailing. I virtually made two little mixes in one there. Just get up and trail that up a bit. Go around the edges first. Push in between there too. Close up of that for you. Just squeezing it up in between there, pushing it in that little gap there, that little, firm it all up, and we'll start filling this centre up.
Looks pretty strong.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, pretty good. Okay. Yeah, just pushing it in over the top so you can hold it all together a bit for you. Section up a bit.
suppose it's an art in getting the consistency right and everything, is there?
Oh yeah,
Right.
you've got to get the mix right, yeah. It's
Yeah.
not that hard to mix this.
You ever get a bloody crook neck looking up like that all the time?
No, I started young. I wouldn't want to start when I was older. No. I've been looking up here for a long time.
Yeah, I bet you have.
Yeah. Okay, that's pretty level.
So this is what it looks like at this stage, just a rough trowel, but as it's setting, before it's gone hard, I'll scrape that back with the back of my trowel to get it level. We'll just patch this up.
Get the base coat on. Moving it over to the top.
So it screws up a little bit, some of them are down a bit. I'll put one extra one in.
Okay.
You sort of let it cure a bit, do you, when you first put it on?
Yeah, you got to let it set a bit and scrape it back into shape and polish it off to a fine finish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That, if I was doing it, that's how it looked when I was bloody finished.
Better fall down. Might just do that a little bit in the hallway. Is there something to put down there?
Now?
No, on that red flash. Okay, we'll just scrape these back.
The red's flashing?
Ready? Yep, that's
That
running.
means she's running.
That's running. Scrape the other one back.
You then put a finer finish on it, do you?
Yeah, you'll see. Yep, I'll scrape it back level first though.
does it take to set that stuff?
Oh, about 40 minutes, 45 maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, 45 minutes. You can get longer. I'll just get a bit of plaster. Thanks. Alright. We'll put another coat on it, the second coat.
How many coats do you give it?
Oh, maybe 3, 4.
Just to get it...
And with the final polish, that's what we've got to aim at. We've got to get it level and flat first. You can close it up a bit.
Do you get comments for your videos from far and wide?
No, we just able. You see some videos, the comments they put on them. They can contact me, but I give my contact details.
Yeah.
They're from America, Indiana, or something. Indiana, maybe. Okay. Over this one.
How many hours of video can you get on this bloody thing?
Maybe 3, 4 hours, I'm not sure.
Jesus. Amazing.
Maybe 5. They're good. There's 16 gigabyte of memory I've got in that one, but you can buy 32.
Shit.
I'll just get a close up of that. Okay. Okay, that's a second coat. Maybe need another 2 to flatten that out. There you go. I'll let you hold that.
Oh, it's recording now.
Recording. Where is it go? I nearly lost it again. Okay, we'll put a third coat on these. After this coat, it should be pretty close to ready for polishing up.
The final coats, you make it a little bit more moist, do you?
Yeah, you make it a bit thinner towards the end. The final polish is just a real thin slurry. Real thin. Well, that's pretty good there.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
What's the most demanding job in the bloody skillful job in the plastering caper?
Oh, maybe corners, it's quite delicate corners, intricate corners.
Yeah.
It all takes skill just to learn to use a trowel maybe.
Yeah, that's right.
6 months. Got to feel like part of your arm.
Yeah.
The ceiling is up and down a bit, but
Once it's
try and float it flat.
with the flat painting that you don't notice it so much, do you?
No. Okay, it's not too bad. We'll a little bit close up on that. Yeah, so it's starting to take shape back. That one there, almost ready to polish off now.
You won't bloody notice there's never a bloody vent there.
I hope not. There's 2 vents either side there. It's going. Just give us maybe a 4th or 5th time over. It's pretty close to being ready to polish.
What's the last minute? Why do they call it polish?
Oh, we just polish, like polishing, just make it smooth, get a bit of shine to it. Comes up like a glass, virtually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's the old-fashioned way of polishing. The new ones they lay top coat on and sand it off. But it's not a bad idea, just get a light sand if you can these anyway.
Yeah, what's his name? Gary would probably do that, would he?
Oh yes. I'll do the next one. Scrape back, a bit of a scrape. You use a bit of water when you're polishing too.
Oh, okay.
Up to then you don't use the water. You get that bit for Gary with crap paper.
Is it hard to tell up there the flatness of the surface?
Oh, you can feel if you trowel. As you're troweling, you can feel what it feels like, but
Yeah.
it feels smooth. Not too bad. Right.
And that little hole behind you?
Yeah, thanks for that. I nearly forgot it again.
Is that where that previous bloke did it there?
No, that's where he just screwed up the ceiling, but tightened it up, you know.
There we go. We'll head down that back room. Okay, we'll just give this a polish up here. Pretty close. More right to polish, I think. Flash a little bit of water on it. Very thin mix. Polish it, just comes to be.
Did you ever get on a builder's list of tradies?
A builder's what, Joe?
Like work for one builder, you know?
Not so much, a little bit, we did. Work for one plaster company.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, work for one builder, yeah. Oh, big one, though.
Yeah.
Over the years.
Beautiful. Look at that, look. There's just not quite the your ladder's on the bucket. Oh, you got it?
That's right now, I think.
Yep. That is quite smooth now.
Is it?
Yeah, that's cool.
Is that a bit of a dent? Just you can see a shadow from where I'm standing here. I don't. Come